Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer. Do you need a belly box? A toolbox that mounts under your cargo box? We have these in stock for carryout or installation. This is a perfect place to store your cargo straps, extra tools, moving blankets, even spare engine fluids. You can store basically anything you don't want getting covered up and lost in the cargo area or taking up what little space you already have in the cab. Now this is a smaller box because this truck sat kind of low to the ground, but our most common cargo box sizes are 18 inches deep, 18 inches tall, and 48 or 36 inches wide. Need it bigger? Need it smaller? No problem. No matter what it is, any aftermarket accessory that you need on your box truck, just give us a call. We would love to help you. Well, my name's Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer. We appreciate you watching, and my job is to help you grow your business.